Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. And in today's video, I didn't have much of an agenda actually. I was just browsing through Dribble and I found this awesome shot by Salomon for Horizon. In this shot, he has designed a bottom navigation interaction. It's a micro interaction where if you click on different tabs on the icon on the bottom nav, it expands and has a quirky animation where it expands and show you the name as well as the icon. So this is the shot. As soon as I saw the shot, I thought, can we do this just using Figma? I mean, just use the Figma prototyping that we have on Figma and not use anything else to do this. I'm not sure how he has designed it, but I just wanted to try it out in just Figma. So yeah, that's today's video. Let's get started. Okay guys, so before we start, let's have a really quick look on the interaction that we are going to make in Figma today. So if you see, it's a bottom navigation, and before clicking the state, before clicking on any of the icons in the bottom nav, it just shows the icon, and when you tap on the icon, it expands with a background as well as a label with the icon, and the color of the icon and the text also changes on selection. So to do that, let's just hop onto Figma and quickly set up the artboard, and then we'll start to animate it. Okay. So guys, we are in Figma right now, and this is the Figma file that I have. What I've done is I have just quickly set it up the four tab selected states of all the icons. So here you can see in the first one, home is expanded, the second one, the likes is expanded, the third one, search is expanded, and the fourth one, profile is expanded. Okay. Let me just quickly give you the overview of what exactly the selected pill contain. So in each of the selected pill, you have a label, an icon, and you have a background, right? It's same for everything actually, just that the colors is different based on the selected states. What I have also done is I have in the selected state, I have hidden the background and the label for all the other icons. So because we just want home to be highlighted in the first one, I have hidden the background for the like as well as the label for like by giving it a 0% opacity, so that it's not visible. So if I just quickly make it like 100%. So if you see, it's actually there, but I have hidden it by giving it a pass-through of 0%, so that we don't see this particular background and the like one in the first frame. Similarly, in the second frame, I have hidden the backgrounds of all these other icons. In the third one, I have hidden for everyone. So this is what I have done. Now, what we are going to use is we are going to use the property of prototyping in Figma called auto animate. And what auto animate does is it basically animates the difference between the two states. So if there's a difference in one state and there's a difference in the second state, it will try to animate between it. Okay. So it's really important that you name the files really correctly, name the layers actually really correctly, so that it can automate it automatically in each of the frames. Okay. So what we'll do is right now is we want to animate when you click on the like button, we'll go in the prototyping setting, and what we want to do is we first want to animate the like button to expand it. So what I'll do is I'll just drag it here and select it. Yeah, and it says on tap navigate to, and we'll navigate to the second screen. We have selected auto animate, smart animate here, and we are giving it as an ease in, ease out. So it automatically ease in and ease out. And 300 millisecond is typically a sweet spot of animations when we do micro interactions. So that's why it's kept to 300 milliseconds. Just keep it to default, and you have smart animate enabled. And what we also want is when we click on home in the second tab, we should be able to go to the first tab, right? And again, we'll keep the same settings, navigate to, smart animate, ease in, ease out, and 300 milliseconds. Now just let's quickly review what and how it looks like. So we are in the prototyping one. If I click on this one, okay, 1 minute, I need to refresh this one. Let's just quickly see how it looks like. So we are loading the, yeah, so we are here in the screen, and if we click on the home icon, So you see home, the tab moves to the home and this collapses. If I click on this one, you see, so it's partially working now. If you see here, yes, so we are able to do it like really partially. So what we can, so this is almost there, like almost 80% there. Very simply, I just tagged the two things. If you can just quickly look at the animation that there is on the shot, you see the home icon expand from the left, whereas all the other icons expand from the right. So the home expands to the left and pushes the icons on the right, and all the other icons expand from the left and pushes the other icon on the left to the more left, right? So to do that animation in Figma, we need to do the same thing as well. So what we'll want to do is we will go to the home tab, right? And home, we want to expand it from left to right. So what we'll do is we'll come to home, we'll go to the background, and we will make let me just go to the design bit, and just so that everything is visible, I'll just quickly make it 100%. What I'll do is I'll just squeeze it down to the left, so that when I move from this frame to the first frame, it looks like it's expanding. As I told you, Smart Animate will animate the difference between these two states. So it will also animate the changing state of the background. So we want to do it smaller, and we'll again give it a opacity of 0%. Now we just have to look at how the home thing works. Okay, so let me just see how it works. 1 minute. Sometimes it takes time to load actually. So yeah, so I'll go here, likes, and let's see if the home works well. Yes, so if you see, yeah, so if you see the home is expanding from the left because we have given it the background to be squeezed in the first frame, right? So what we'll do is we'll do the same thing for all the tabs, and I'll quickly do this bit and we'll come back actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna speed up this bit. Guys, I have just mapped out all the screens from the prototyping bit. What I have done is the same thing. I have just linked actually all the states to the highlighted states. If I click on the like one, then it's linked to the like state. From all the liked icon, it's linked to the liked expanded state. All of the closed collapsed profile icon, it's linked to the profile state, which is here. And all of the collapsed search icons, it's linked back to the search state. So now just let's quickly look at how it turns out. So we are at home and we click on the likes. Voila, it works. Search works. Profile also works. And if you see, it's almost the same. The home expands from the left, pushes the icon to the right, and all the other bits pushes the icon to the left, right? And it collapsed really smoothly. So I think we made justice to what the shot was. We made it like really close to 90-95% of what it is by just using Figma, right? I'll try to link up this file in the description below so that you can try it out. And also let me know, I'll keep up coming with small prototyping and micro interactions just using Figma and other tools. And if you like to see more, just comment below. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll try to bring it for you. So guys, do share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.